Stay tight with your man.
Nice, Brady.
All right, Dane. Go, Dane. Go, Dane.
Run, Dane.
Stay with your man, Andrew. Stay with your man. Be tight.
Stay with him.
Stay with him, Andrew. Come on. Offside.
Good. They're very small size.
Play Nico, please.
Play Nico.
I'm not sure.
I don't know. What do I do? Give me that.
Play tough, Andrew.
Play tough, Andrew. Am I like a
He's just parroting me.
I know. I repeat everything.
Yeah, exactly.
Just like
Open up.
Oh, you got it, Ricky. Nice.
Yes.
Good. Beautiful.
There we go. Nice.
Quick. Run up, guys. What?
My kids did that. K through 5, so
Good foul.
smaller environment. The school is in right now, and so
Is it hard to shoot? Good job, Ethan. Quick. Nice. Take it down.
Come on, Hector.
Good job,
Help him, Andrew. Nice.
Yes. Pass to Andrew.
Don't offside, Andrew. Don't go offside.
Kick ahead.
Good guys. Beautiful.
Nice, baby. Yes. Good try.
Andrew, you got more time on the ball, right? Just
Calm, Andrew. Calm.
wait, Andrew. Go with it, Ricky. Nice.
Nice ball, Ricky.
so then
Man, what the hell is that, Andrew? Black ball.
like we'll set it up, donate the food and sell the car. Yeah. So we try to do like high impact. Yeah, for sure. For our hours where we get like 10 shooters, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then Carlos coaches there. So we make the hours that don't really, Otherwise, it's really hard to get the hours in. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. You guys do so much in that same area. Yeah. Have you been there? I've been there once. Okay. So it's called and then we have Pony, which is Mexican intestine. So there's like juice stuff. Where is that? And that's in there also. So we have two. Okay. Oh, that's such. In fact, we were talking about going there because it's such a neat environment. I mean, it's really cool. And I like how you can kind of pick and choose and all. Everybody can go on. We went once last year, and I remember we were like, oh, and my brother. That's a good reminder.
Go.
Go, take it off, Andrew. Yes.
Foul. Thanks. Attack the goal.
Rebound. What's for rebound?
Okay, now.
Yes. Oh.
Rebound. Someone.
Go, Mio, turn around.
Let's go Prosinecki.
All right, Matthew. Close him down. Close him down.
Over, Javier.
Andrew. Man on. Man on.
Pass it.
Yes.
Hey, this way.
Man on, Andrew. Man on.
Go, Matthew. That's it. Good job, Matthew. Oh, good.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Offside. Offside.
Offset. Oh.
Good job, Ethan.
How's that not offside?
Nice save, Ethan.
Go, go, go.
Go, Andrew.
Go.
Find it.
Again. Again. Press him. Press him.
Pressure him.
Yes. Again. Again.
Go towards the goal.
Okay, our ball.
Black ball.
You look at this. Try to guess.
So, get ready. So,
So.
Give it to Andrew.
again.
No, try to
Trap
guess
the ball,
what
trap the ball.
letter is D. Guess what letter is D. Go. Try to guess what letter is this. No, you can't. M. A. U.
Yes. Hit it.
No.
Thanks. All right, Nico.
All right, now.
Go to the goal. Get the rebound, guys.
What's for rebound? Rebound. Okay, what's the...
Get closer.
Get rebound, guys. It's too far away.
Let's see in a minute.
Keep your eyes on the ball.
Okay, so what's the first letter? Mommy, what's the first letter? What's the first letter? M.
All right, Matthew. It's all yours, Matthew.
Yes. Second letter.
Go, Nico.
Just keep him that. Don't let him turn. Don't let him turn. Out.
Yes, look. You cannot look at the second letter. So what's the second letter? A. What's that third one? U.
Let's go Prosinecki.
Okay. Andrew, aggressive, okay?
Check. Somebody check. Nice.
I only do. Okay, so
Nice, Matthew.
okay, one part of the letter.
What?
I only do one part of a letter. What happened?
I think out of bound already.
Okay, I'll do one part of the letter. Okay, one part of my letter. Give me my hat.
Okay.
Okay, this is one part of the letter. Try to guess it. A little.
Oh man, that's.
This way.
Oops.
No. Little G.
Is that Lorda 2? Let me see.
C. G. Okay, let's do this again. Okay.
Go.
Be many letters. Let's go maybe 2 letters.
All right, Matthew.
Fine.
Go. We go.
Go.
There we go.
Nice.
Well done.
Hey, way to be strong, Rigo. Way to be
Check.
strong.
Check.
Rigo. Good job.
Check.
Playing you instead of the ball. Go, South.
Stay. So.
So guess this letter.
Oh!
Guess this
Now he's back on.
No. It's a letter. No.
Nice, Ethan.
Letter.
We're getting it back.
See? Little cute. See? Little cute.
The other person.
Hi, Debu.
Yes, yes, so. Right, Matthew, run for it.
Get it, Matthew. Hey! Good job, Rigo. Get it back. Yes, Matthew. Keep it down.
Yes.
Good. Pass it.
That's a foul. That's a foul. Thanks, ref.
Watch for rebound. Good shot. It goes too slow.
I know. Nice, nice.
No, I want to need it.
Oh, that's harsh. Hey, come on. That's like 10 yards back, guys.
No, you can't. I need to. No, I need to fall.
Go kick.
You're one down, right?
Yeah.
Oh, they're playing great.
Come on.
Deep go.
Nice riding.
Win it, Andrew. Win it.
Yeah, good job, Ethan. Nice.
Pick it up, pick it up.
Not that way. Yes.
Nice, Andrew.
Watch your back, B.
You got Matthew cross field.
Cross it.
Oh.
Someone here.
Yes, you got time, you got time, you got time, you got time.
Nice. Oh. Go, yes. Go. Shoot it.
Oh.
Good effort, Nico.
Could you put it through this?
No, I'm not gonna.
Please, I need you to.
Oh, it is hot. Number 4?
No, 99.
Oh, nice.
All right,
Andrew.
Enzo's your man.
Stop him. Come on, Where's Tussle?
I don't know. It's all the way back. Jesus.
Oh, no, get him. Come on, get him.
Get it out of there. Get it out of there.
Come on, Soul. Come on, Roddy. You got him, Roddy.
Good job, Ethan. Beautiful job, Ethan.
Awesome.
You suck.
Good job, Ethan. Watch out. Go, Nico. Nice. Go, ready?
Oh, wow.
Get back.
Yes.
Nice.
Help him, Andrew.
Go, Nico!
Help.
Bravo, Nico.
All right. That's all right. It's out.
Okay, keeper. Start.
I still make it. There we go.
Just let it bounce.